Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 3, and after we learn about the previous topic that has been discussed by the earlier group about cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the evolution and fate of the universe. It's a branch of astronomy that seeks to us to understand the nature of the cosmos already found in the present day. And now we will proceed to the next topic about astrophysics. What astrophysics all about and what astrophysics focus on. The context of our topic is what is astrophysics. We will also learn about the stars, planets, galaxies, black holes, and the universe. So what is astrophysics? From the word astro, it refers to the study of celestial objects, space, and universe as a whole. The form of the term astro comes from the Greek word astro, meaning star, and physics refers to the study of the fundamental laws and principles that govern the behavior of the physical universe. So astrophysics applies physics to understand celestial objects and processes. It studies stars, galaxies, planets, black holes, and the universe origin and evolution. Using telescopes, simulations, and mathematics. It's a constantly evolving field in gaining this result. And now we will proceed to the stars.
So since astrophysics studies stars, we're already talking about the stars. So just like living organisms, stars live, die, and work. And by the way, what is stars? So stars are the giant balls of hot gas that is composed of the same hydrogen with some hydrogen and small amounts of other elements. Every star has its own life cycle ranging from a few million to trillion of years, and each properties changes. By studying the life cycles of stars, astrophysicists, or not just astrophysicists, and also us students, can understand how stars work, how they generate energy, and how they eventually die. So, first, stars, let's talk about the birth of the stars. So stars form from fine clouds of gas and dust, which are called nebula or nebulae. Gravity pulls the material together, causing it to heat up and eventually ignite nuclear fission in its core. Second one is slide. So stars spend most of their life using hydrogen and helium in their core, so releasing energy that makes them shine. So, di ba, kinagawa sa at night, star, they are shiny, they are luminous, and they are slices of luminous, but in the night, and the side effect of the star that makes it slight sequence and happy. Also, stars, instead, so when a star runs out of fuel, it begins to collapse. So what happens next depends on its mass. Smaller stars become white dwarfs, and white large stars explode as supernova. So in terms of energy production, stars produce energy through nuclear fission, where lighter elements are combined with heavier elements, releasing enormous amounts of energy. And also, additional information, stars are the building blocks of the galaxies, and the galaxies are the building blocks of the universe. And also, with tens of billions of trillions of stars in observable universe, only a very small percentage are visible to our naked
Again, good afternoon everyone. My name is Neil, and this afternoon I'm about to discuss the planets. So in the present, we have... Ay, ulit na. My name is Neil, and this afternoon I'm about to discuss the planets. So, in the present, our solar system consists of 8 planets, and these are the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pero before, we have 9 planets. So, ang ikanay na to is Pluto. Unfortunately, Pluto is considered as dwarf planet in the year of 2006. So, in next to planet is the Mercury. So Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the Sun. So the next one is the Venus. So even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, the planet Venus is the most hottest planet among the 8 planets. So the reason behind that is because of its thick atmosphere which traps heat to runaway greenhouse gases. So the next one is the planet Earth, or the habitable planet. So what makes Earth habitable? So the planet Earth is habitable due to its atmosphere, which consists of 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen and 0.04 carbon dioxide and 0.07 argon. So next is the planet Mars, or the red planet. So planet Mars is more unlikely a desert planet because as you can see, planet Mars is more likely composed of dust. So next is the Jupiter, or the giant planet. So Jupiter is the biggest planet among the 8 in our solar system. So next is the Saturn. Saturn is famous for its ring system with over 80 moons, and next is Uranus. Uranus is a gas giant planet which rotates on its sides, and it is a pale blue. It has a pale blue color because of methane. So last is the Neptune, or the windiest planet among the 8. So after the planets, we have the formation, or the planetary formation. So planetary formations happens through a process called nebular hypothesis. So next, atmosphere. So atmosphere, it is the gases that surrounds the surface of a planet, moon, or stars. So like possibility of life. So astrophysicists are searching for planets with conditions that could support life. So at the moment, only planet Earth is sustainable. That is the only planet that can sustain life.
I'm Alexis, and let's move on to what galaxies are. So, based on what was mentioned a while ago, galaxies are the stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. It is like a giant city of stars in space. Galaxies come in different shapes, such as spiral or the Milky Way, which is our galaxy. Also the elliptical or regular. And did you know that galaxies contain millions and trillions of stars and often have a supermassive black hole at their center? So, galaxies grow and change over time through collisions, mergers, and interactions with other galaxies. So, galaxies can influence each other through gravity, leading to tidal forces, star formation, and even the merging of galaxies.
So I am Benjamin Silumano. So now let's proceed to black holes. So what is black holes? So black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. So it has an effect on surroundings. Black holes can warp space-time around them, influencing the orbits of nearby stars and gas. They can also emit powerful jets of energy. So black holes has this boundary called event horizon. So event horizon marks the points of no return. So what does it mean? So, and additionally, black holes can release powerful jets of energy, likely caused by the interaction of matter falling into them. So, black holes kay nana siya ka ng energy na marang ng higop siya o mga matter. Yes. So, black holes has three come in different sizes. First is the stellar black holes. It was formed by the collapse of massive stars. So next is supermassive black holes. It is found in the centers of galaxies, including our Milky Way, and are millions to billions of times more massive than the Sun. So the third different size of black holes is intermediate and micro black holes. This is less common. Theorized species in specific conditions.
And lastly, we have the universe. So as you all know, the universe is everything that exists, including all galaxies, stars, planets, space, and even time itself. And it is vast and is constantly expanding. So scientists believe it began with the Big Bang theory, or the Big Bang. So the Big Bang theory describes the origin of the universe starting from a hot, dense state and expanding over time. And scientists believe it began around 13.8 billion years ago, and the universe contains billions of galaxies, and we have only explored a tiny part of it. So again, to differentiate both, galaxies is a huge group of stars and planets, while the universe includes all galaxies and everything else in existence. So that's all. Thank you.